Afternoon, David EcoTune. We got a 2014 BMW 640D here. It's got a CAS4 on there, 868 megahertz key, comfort entry, and we are just going to code a new key via OBD. So we're going to go to IMO, accept, BMW. We've got the programmer plugged in here. We go to Smart Selection. We're going to press OK. We're going to go to Key Learning. I'm going to read the data from the CAS. That's the vehicle. So we're going to do OBD learning. Got a few instructions here. Risks on there. Obviously anything's got risk. We're going to OBD read the secret key code. Says that there's a risk if you want to carry on and do it. We like to take risks, so hopefully OBD should pull the key data out. Do you have a working key? Yes. We're now going to hold the key up to the coil on the side of the ignition. Sometimes these readers can be a bit weak and you would have to take the shroud off and put it closer. But as you can see, it's read the password pretty quick. So we're going to press OK. Right, we're going to write a key. So we need to pick a slot. We're going to pick a free slot. We're going to write a key. New key, close to the coil. Obviously the same frequency. There is two types of frequencies on these keys. Press OK. Ignition's just switched off and switched back on again. Successful. So follow the instructions, put the key close to the start induction coil, press and hold the ignition for 10 seconds after learning is complete. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so let's see if this key works. Let's go out. Let's take the original key away from the vehicle. Put it near the slot. There you go. Starts up absolutely fine. Thank you very much.